Hey guys, so today, did you guys hear about the new update? Check it out. There's a boat, and I heard that only some people have to get lucky to get the boat, and like, there's gonna be an update. And I already watched the video. You guys should go watch the video too. It's pretty cool, and it's funny. And but yeah, like, that's pretty cool. There's gonna be like, you can explore. That's pretty cool. And I like it. And so yeah, there's gonna be an update, and they'll let you know. Like, just click this. It says right here, like, news. See, Captain's Log Day 1. That's pretty cool. Like, you can't lie. Wow. But yeah, guys, like, I can't wait to see what they put. And yeah, that's pretty much like all it is. So as you can see, I'm not that good right now. Like, I am upgrading my archer tower and my air defense, and I'm level 6 down hole. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good either. Like, but yeah, guys, go check it out, download it if you don't already have the game. Yeah, I'll always like let you guys know of like any new updates, and I'll always like start making more videos now, because it's the weekend right now. So yeah, I can make more videos. And peace.